I want the bike man them to know what I go on. I want to learn we are bike man to bike man. You see me? When you crash a road and I go hard, and you're alone out there now. Will you tell yourself when you lay down? If you did know, tell me truth, no drink come on, you don't have on no helmet. You don't have on no properly gears. And you go hard. And a bike kill we, you know. And we kill ourselves. Because remember when you go buy the bike, as a bike man attack to you. When you go buy car, bus, knife, gun. Remember them things they put on, you know, they cannot use. They cannot use. Man down a madness, man down a public. You never see a bike down there. You never see a bike mother come a ball. Whoa! I feel me Yama that. I feel me Ninja that. Bend up. You ever see mother a ball for them son. So I beg the rider them and the driver them. Although people beg on no broke tick in no ears. Me a one man, when no broke no tick in my ears. Me broke what people tell me in my ears. Me never see a bike out of public. And anytime when no crash, I meet in an accident, I only one alone. The man not help you, only meet in an accident. And dog, bike can ride in a one gear, is slow. The second gear, that are two, is another slow gear. That 3, 4, 5, and 6 are the killer gear. So we are big bike man them. When you not ride, remember dog, take no time. And no bike kill you no, and no kill you self. So every bike man will out there will lay down and feel pain, take it as another bike man. We taking time and ride and park my bike some of the time and walk or take bus or ride my bicycle. Remember me telling you that. And not the bike kill you, or you kill yourself. Remember, if you take your time and ride your bike, slow, that people have to say, it come like a walk hour. Who live longer and who mash up. So bike no kill people, you go kill off yourself with the fast piece. Blessed, that's all me have to tell you.